The last part of the build that we're going to do is the rear diffuser. What I have done here is cutting out some of the base pieces that is going to go behind the car here, as you can see, and from there I'm going to build a diffuser underneath that's going to cover the bottom of the car, and that will clean up the airflow underneath the car. So hopefully that can improve the handling, and stay tuned. And here is the final piece. We just finished the fabrication of the rear diffuser. In a nutshell, this is what it's going to look like, and we're going to go ahead and paint that black and install on our body. And of course, those openings here is going to have a mesh grill underneath. So stay tuned. And here is the rear diffuser. We just finished the installation, as you can see. And there will be a couple more small details that we need to add to the body, then this project is complete.